Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Cat Nabber is probably one of the most innovative and engaging toys designed to keep your feline friends entertained for hours on end, simulating the thrill of the hunt with its unpredictable movements and interactive features. This isn't just another cat toy, it's a sophisticated gadget engineered to stimulate your cat's natural predatory instincts, providing essential mental and physical exercise that can help curb boredom and destructive behaviors. If you're looking for a way to enrich your cat's life and provide them with a stimulating play experience, the Cat Nabber might just be the perfect solution you've been searching for, offering a dynamic alternative to static toys. Number 5. ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. Are you constantly battling pet hair on your furniture, clothes, and car? Introducing the ultimate solution for effective dog and cat hair removal. It's far superior to traditional sticky rollers. Say goodbye to fur on your furniture and bedding. This tool is ideal for cleaning couches, pillows, rugs, and more. It's an essential item for any pet owner's cleaning arsenal. Whether you have a dog or a cat, this remover is adept at picking up every strand of fur. Its extra sticky capability ensures your spaces are left completely hair-free. Using it is as simple as rolling back and forth on any surface to trap fur and lint. When finished, a quick press of the release button opens it for easy emptying. This reusable tool requires no adhesives or sticky tape. You can use it again and again, making it a sustainable choice for pet owners. What we like? Tired of pet hair clinging to everything? This tool offers a sustainable and effective solution for removing fur from furniture and fabrics. If you're looking for an eco-friendly way to keep your home clean without constantly buying sticky sheets, this is the choice for you. What people say. This toy is great for batting around and chasing. My cat loves to play with this toy, it keeps him entertained for hours. The size and shape of this toy are perfect for my cat to carry around and toss. Number 4. Purina Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers Poultry and Beef Wet Cat Food. Introducing Purina Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers, a delightful meal for your feline friend. It's crafted with real poultry or beef, offering 100% complete and balanced nutrition for adult cats. Experience the enticing aroma and light, savory gravy that makes every meal a gourmet experience. It's made with high-quality ingredients, ensuring a taste they'll adore. You can feel good about what you're serving. This wet cat food is made without artificial colors or preservatives, focusing on wholesome goodness. Developed in partnership with expert nutritionists, it provides a unique and unforgettable taste experience. It's designed to satisfy even the most discerning palate. Each can is crafted in our U.S. facilities and undergoes rigorous quality and safety checks. You can trust that you're providing the best for your beloved cat. This variety pack offers delicious options like turkey, chicken, or beef. It's a protein-rich choice that caters to their every craving. What we like? Does your cat crave a delicious and nutritious meal? This wet food provides high-quality protein and a tempting gravy that adult cats adore. If your feline is a picky eater or you want to ensure they get complete and balanced nutrition with a taste they'll love, this is the perfect option. What people say. The Cat Nabber is a great toy for cats, it keeps them entertained for hours. My cat loves the Cat Nabber, she plays with it all the time. The Cat Nabber is well made and durable, it has lasted a long time. Number 3. Potaroma Flopping Fish Cat Toy. Watch your cat's eyes light up with this interactive toy. When they touch it, it automatically starts moving, encouraging them to kick and play for hours of fun. This toy looks and moves like a real fish, captivating your cat's attention. It keeps them active and engaged, even when you're not around, helping to alleviate boredom. We've enhanced this toy with a larger battery for extended playtime and improved its durability. It also comes in beautiful gift packaging, perfect for any occasion. Made from soft plush, it's perfect for chewing and wrestling. It even comes with a catnip pouch to excite and engage your feline friend, getting them up and moving. No more battery hassles. This toy is USB rechargeable, and the motor is detachable for easy cleaning. Simply charge, switch on, and let the fun begin. Looking for a gift? This flopping fish toy is an ideal present for cat owners, perfect for holidays like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year. What we like? Is your cat often bored or lonely when you're away? This toy simulates a realistic fish that wiggles and moves, engaging your cat in active play. If you need to keep your kitty entertained, promote exercise, and alleviate their boredom, this interactive fish is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Cat Nabber is a great toy for keeping your cat entertained and active. It features a durable design that can withstand rough play. The interactive element of the Cat Nabber encourages exercise and mental stimulation for your feline friend. Number 2. FELIWAY Optimum Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit. Introducing FELIWAY Optimum, an advanced diffuser designed to help reduce signs of stress in your feline friends. It works to ease tension and promote a calmer environment for them. This diffuser helps reduce stress-related behaviors like urine spraying and scratching. Many cat parents have noticed significant improvements in these behaviors. It's ideal for homes with multiple cats, helping to promote calmer interactions between them. You'll likely notice a reduction in tension. Rest assured, it is safe for use around cats, kittens, people, and other pets. It is not a sedative and provides continuous support. This plug-in diffuser provides 24/7 support when used as directed. Simply plug it into an open outlet and let it work its magic. Trust in the expertise of the #1 vet-recommended brand for feline stress. It's backed by 30 years of scientific research. What we like. Are you dealing with stress-related behaviors in your cat, like spraying or hiding? This advanced diffuser releases a patented pheromone to create a calming environment. If you have a multi-cat household or a cat that gets anxious due to changes, this offers continuous support for a more peaceful home. What people say. The Cat Nabber is a fun and engaging toy that keeps my cat entertained for hours. The design is simple yet effective, with a durable construction that can withstand rough play. My cat loves chasing the feathered wand, and it's a great way to get her moving and burn off energy. Number 1. TIROTECHS Bite-Proof Animal Handling Gloves. Introducing our premium animal handling gloves, designed to build trust and protect your hands during every interaction. Experience safe and loving pet care like never before. Crafted from genuine cowhide, split leather and insulated cotton, these gloves offer exceptional durability and comfort. They provide a reliable barrier against bites and scratches, ensuring your safety. Featuring a non-slip surface, these gloves significantly improve your grip. This enhanced control makes handling and managing animals easier and more secure. Maintain better hygiene during pet care. These gloves help reduce the risk of bites and scratches, keeping your hands safe and clean. Perfect for a variety of animals including cats, dogs, snakes, and parrots. They are also ideal for use in veterinary clinics, pet stores, zoos, and homes. We are confident you'll love your purchase. If you encounter any issues, please let us know, and we'll ensure your satisfaction is met. What we like. Do you worry about getting scratched or bitten when handling pets? These gloves offer robust protection with a combination of leather and cotton, ensuring your hands are safe. If you work with animals regularly, groom them, or simply want extra security during handling, these are an essential tool for safe interaction. What people say. The Cat Nabber is a great toy for keeping your cat entertained and active. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand even the most enthusiastic play. The unique design of the Cat Nabber makes it easy for cats to grip and bat around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.